Hi Amber, this is Bailey. We spoke on the phone this morning. I'm with the digital marketing company SEO Tycoon here in Dallas, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to show how my company helps to grow business for small businesses and just help you guys get on the first page of Google. So let's dive right in. So I pulled up your website just to kind of get a feel for what y'all do and the services that you do provide. So here we go. So I looked at it and it looks like you guys have some good testimonials and some great services that you offer in a wide variety of services. So we would want to, personally, if I were to help with these services with you all, I would like to add some more content to your front page. Just for your knowledge, the Google crawlers, as I like to call them, they like to see about 1,500 words minimum on your front page, just so that they have enough content to actually crawl through and see what your site's about, the services that you offer, and how good you are at what you do. This allows them to make sure that the people that are on the first page of their website deserve to be there, so that they're not putting, just 2 pages worth of 2 words worth of content up on their front page. So just their personal algorithm that they like to see. So hopping over to a tool that I like to use called Ahrefs. This just kind of shows us like the back end of websites and just into a lot of the geeky stuff, if you like to call it that. So this just kind of shows that you guys do have some good trust in your area, just not a lot of traffic coming from that, which is this number right here. It looks like you guys do have 133 links coming back to your website, which is a good number. It's a good starting number. We would like to add to that, but it's definitely a good start. You guys are also ranking for 164 keywords, but it looks like that count went down pretty recently, but don't worry, we'll get that back up. And let's take a look at some of the keywords that you are ranking for. We want to make sure that the keywords that you are ranking in Google for are buyer specific and buyer intended. So not just people looking for dental blogs or teeth blogs. We want to make sure that they're people that actually need services and want to pay for services. So it looks like you guys are in the first position for Smile McKinney, which is great. That's you guys. But we want to make sure that people that are looking for dentists that don't know your name and don't know who you are can find you as well. And that's what we want to be on the first page of Google for. So let's see, Dentist McKinney, we're on position 15, so that's probably at the top of page 3 of Google. So we'd want to get that up there, but page 3 is not a bad place to be. That definitely gives us somewhere to work towards, and it's not like you're on page 12. So that's definitely a good start, and that's something that we would want to get up in the ranks for. It looks like a lot of these other positions, or a lot of these other terms, you guys are on either the second or third page of Google. So it's kind of in the same ballpark. So we would want to get that up, but not a bad position to be starting off at all. I did pull up 2 of your competitors just so that you could kind of have a baseline into what I'm talking to. And when I say your competitors, I just went into Google and typed dentists in McKinney, Texas, and these were the top people that came up. So let's look at this Stonebridge Dental. Looking at their website, they do have a little bit more content, but still not 1,500 words. So we would outrank them super easily. It's a nice website, it's a nice layout, but it's nothing super fancy, nothing super crazy. And then popping into Ahrefs for them, looks like they have a little bit of trust in the area, but a decent amount of traffic coming from that number. 431 backlinks, so that's a lot, but not all links are created equal, and either way, it's just a numbers game, so we just keep adding to it until we beat them. So let's go look at some of their keywords that they're ranking for. All of these look like those dentist blog things that I was just talking about. Like none of these seem to be buyer specific keywords. So yes, they're high in the ranks for it, but these are people that are probably looking for just some at-home quick little tips. It doesn't look like any of them are looking to use Stonebridge's services. The first one that I see is their name in McKinney, Texas. So again, people that already know that they're looking for them specifically. Just going through this quickly, but yeah, I don't see anything else. So yes, they're ranking pretty high, but it doesn't look like for anything buyer specific. So it looks like maybe they might be outranking you, but probably not for buyer specific things. So we could definitely kick them down the list. And then let's hop over to another competitor. I pulled up Custom Dental, and let's see. A lot of these video headers, people are moving towards them. I guess it just gives them a more individualized feel when they click on your website. So we can definitely get you guys one of those if that's something that you're interested in. But they have a little bit more content, but still, I don't think 1,500 words. So again, super easy for us to go ahead and knock them out of the park for. And then let's see here. Let's hop over to Ahrefs for them. Looks like they got some good trust, but not a lot of traffic coming from that. Barely any backlinks, and a lot of keywords. So let's hop over there. Give them a little look-sees. Cost of dental implant, custom dental, dentist in McKinney. They have the 4th spot on Google. So, okay, that's a good position to be in. We still want to be in the top 3, but that's definitely still on page 1. So that's good for them, but all of these that are above them, they look like they're cost for dental implants, so not people that look like they're going to be using them. So, yeah. Custom Dental of McKinney, all of these things. So, okay, noted, they've got some good spots, but again, looking at their website, it doesn't look like anything that we can't outrank them for pretty quickly. Another tool that I like to use over here is called Whitespark, and this just shows your citations. And if you're familiar with citations, that is just basically little blasts of you all over the internet, whether that be Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, just places where your business name, number, and location are blasted everywhere. Obviously, that's one of those things that's the more the merrier. We'll take all that we can get. And you guys currently have 45. While that's not a bad number, we definitely would want to see that number increase to make sure that you are at the top of Google. Took over to Stonebridge Dental. They have 75, so a little bit more, but not a ton. 30 citations we could do in a day, and snap a finger. That would not be hard at all. And then Custom Dental of McKinney only has 26, so that's a pretty easy knock out of the park. Those are the three things that I would suggest doing pretty quick to immediately, as in upping the content on your initial homepage, getting more citations, and updating some keywords and getting those ranked for and backlinks to get you there. That's my tool belt. That's what I would definitely start doing, and that's what I would like to partner with you guys on and help you guys to make those adjustments to your website so that we can get you ranking higher in Google. Obviously, that is definitely what I do and what I would love to help you guys with, but I gave you all my tools, so if you prefer to do that in-house, obviously take it and run with it. But if anything that I said today did interest you or get you excited or help you to see the potential for more clients and money that could potentially be left on the table or even in your competitors' pockets, please reach back out to me and let me know that you want to do a deep dive call, and we can go into a little bit more specifics on what we need to do and how we can get there. And I'd be more than happy to do that with you guys via phone or FaceTime or even in person. I am local to the Dallas area, so I'd love to meet with you guys and kind of discuss those options. So have a great rest of your day, and it's been a pleasure spending some time with y'all.